Well, hello there. What have we got here? This is a Ford Raptor. It looks a bit of a beast, doesn't it? What do you think this could do? I think this is the kind of vehicle most people would like, aren't it? Let me just stop this engine a moment. Yeah, that's better. Now then. The guys at the Easy Streets UK PVA server have loaned me this so we can have a little look at it. We can find out what it does, where it goes, what its capacity is, what its top speed is, and anything that you might need to know before you buy. So let's get straight down to it, shall we? Okay, right, so one of the things we really need to know, and most people, their first question is, how much space has it got? Well, let's have a little look what we've got here then. Now then, I think what we need to do is just stick something in there a minute. Yep, there we go. So we've got 550. I was expecting a little bit more than that. I'm going to turn that back just to. I was expecting a little bit more than that. 550. We have got a sea chest. That will put it at 650. We have got a backpack. You could go up to a 500 backpack, but let's say 450, and that would put it at 1,000. And then you've got another couple of barrels there, so that 1,500. We can also stick a jerry can in, and there's a gun slot. It's got a spare wheel as well. So 1,500. I was in actual fact expecting a little bit more than that. I suppose you got the 4 seats. Oh, could you get 5? Yeah, I think you could probably get 5 in there, all in all, if you count the driver. So is that enough for you, 1,500? It does look a bit of a beast, though, doesn't it? I think I'd like to drive this and find out what it's like. Let's get on to it. And sure enough, yeah, it's steady as a rock. There's no wheel wobble, there's nothing, there's no problem. It's moving along, we've already got to 80 there. Yes. Oh, can I go? Can I get it back? Just about. And just drop a cog there. There we go. Alright, maybe that was a bit of bad driving, I think. Maybe I just let it slide a little bit too quick. It's steady again. If we lose another one, we know what's what. But I think at the moment it seems quite steady. Let's have a little look what the turning circle's like. Just drop down into first gear there. Oh yeah, turns around no problems. So really this is a good vehicle off-road. I don't think you've got anything to worry about. See how we can get up the big hill. I think this one's going to be doing quite well. I don't think we're going to have a problem up the big hill with this one. No, it's going easy as anything. Smooth. Oops, that's a bit tight for it there. Can I just drop back a bit? Oh, beautiful. Total control there. Let me go into reverse, brake, back into forward without it losing an inch. Oh, it's fantastic, that was. Yes, this is going to go all the way up with no problems whatsoever. Beautiful. Yeah, a little bit too steep for it though. Let's just see whether we can pick a better spot. I don't want to go over that log. Oh, it's struggling a little bit now. Just see if we can pick a better spot for it. Wow, the littlest of trees has caught it now. We are truly struggling now. It just, I can't quite get that control to make it go up the hill. There we go. Going. It's doing it. To be quite honest, I'd be a bit disappointed if it didn't do it. You know, I really do expect this one to get up that hill. And oh, that's a little bit of a wobble on my table, isn't it? Yes, can see that one. It's made it. Be around the town. The road test. Let's go for it. How does it steer around the town? Oh, yeah, it's holding the road all right. Let's just nip in here like I normally do. And we'll have a little reverse backwards on it. Yep, no problem there. It's quite good. It's a big vehicle, but it's moving around okay. It's not a worry. It's not something you've got to concern yourself with. It's moving around lovely. Being a big vehicle, it doesn't worry too much about the little lumps like a curb or anything like that. That's driving around the town, fantastic. Holding the road okay. Not a problem. It's quite fast for a big vehicle. You certainly don't have to worry about this one. It's got everything going for it. Just nip in here. Oh, that was my bad driving. Oh yes, you don't have to worry about this one round the town. It can go anywhere. Oh, gonna have to change because it's not doing anything else on that one. No. Lost a little bit of speed on the drop, on the change I mean. So 120. It's not the fastest thing to go through its gears, but it is making it up there. 1, 2, 1. Get to 130, yes, come on. I just don't know whether to change to 60. Yeah, I'm going to go up to top gear, and I'm going to give it a chance and see whether it'll build it up. 126, 127. Yes, he's getting back up there. 130. Do you know, I think we got to the ceiling here. 133. Just doesn't seem to be doing much more now. I think if she's going downhill a little bit, you may get 135. But that's about it. That's the top speed on it. Okay, the Ford Raptor. Well, final thoughts on this one. Yes, it is something that I would definitely consider. It's got everything going for it. It's got a reasonable storage when you count the barrels and whatnot. It's got a good turn of speed. It's really good handling around the town. I did find it slid a couple of times on me, but maybe that was just poor driving. It's not the fastest, but it's certainly no slouch. So it's right in the middle on that little lot. I was impressed with this hill climb because it's a big heavy vehicle, isn't it? So it got all the way up the top of the hill, so that was quite good. It's certainly something that you would want to consider. I don't know about yourself, but yeah, I would definitely consider it. I don't think you'd be all that disappointed with it if you did get it. Right, well, I do want to thank the UK Easy Street PBE server for the loaning of the vehicle. And thanks to you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, just check out a few more. There's quite a few of my videos around here now, checking out all the vehicles, or quite a lot of the vehicles, not all of them, but quite a lot of the vehicles that we have. Thanks for watching.